Hi, welcome to Van Wall Equipment. My name is Mallory Keene, the recruiting specialist for the Power Equipment Technology program with DMAC. We are here to talk to you today about the sponsorship with Van Wall, some exciting enhancements to the program, and the benefits of the Power Equipment Technology program. Van Wall's sponsorship can be at any of our Iowa Van Wall locations and includes tuition and fees paid up front, paid on-the-job training with an incentive to receive pay increase for classroom performance, and a guaranteed job after the completion of the program. We're excited to announce that DMAC is officially a John Deere Dealer Partner School starting in fall 2025. Upon graduation, students will receive an Associates of Applied Science degree and have the opportunity to become Level 2 certified as a John Deere technician.
With DMAC becoming a John Deere Dealer Partner School, it enables the instructor to utilize John Deere specific programs to enhance the instruction capabilities in the classroom. The partnership provides students opportunities to train on all equipment that Van Wall sells and services. The instructor will use programs like Service Advisor in their classroom to familiarize the students with the systems they will be using as full-time employees with Van Wall.
I'm Roy Kochmuller, DMAC instructor and program chair for the Power Equipment Technology program. I teach the core classes, shop fundamentals, engines, small engines, electricity, fuels, powertrains, hydraulics, and air conditioning. Beginning in the fall 2025, there will be additional coursework including advanced electricity, which will be giving students exposure to CAN bus systems. Our main focus is equipment 75 horsepower and down. This could include power sports, lawn and garden, construction equipment, compact utility tractors, and other ag equipment.
We are actively recruiting for students to have internships with us during their high school education who have an interest in diesel and gas equipment. If you or someone you know is interested in this great career opportunity to become a technician with Van Wall Equipment, contact me, Mallory Keene, or visit our website, vanwall.com, and look for our Tech Programs page under the Company tab. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to talking to you soon.